Today you will learn how to show ribbon in Word. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. Sometimes you hide it by mistake. Sometimes the commands disappear and you only see the tab names like Home, Insert, or Design. Don't worry, this is very easy to fix. First, if you can see the tabs but not the tools under them, simply double-click on any tab name, like Home. Immediately, the full ribbon will appear. Another easy way is to right-click on any tab. If you see an option called Collapse the Ribbon and it is checked, click it once to uncheck it. Your ribbon will now stay visible. On Windows or Mac, you can also use the shortcut Ctrl plus F1 to quickly hide or show the ribbon. That's it. Now you know how to bring back the full ribbon in Word in just a few seconds. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple and practical Word tutorials. Thanks for watching.